Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Semitech. Today my topic is call members. The call members is the outermost living body of call. All call the call members, also called the process of members, physicals, species, the intermolecular space inside the call from exchange environment outside the call members secures and products the and Kaito plus diffusions is the movement of substance from a range of high continues to low is the products in the it is the therefore side to occur down a side movement glade diffusions it is a diffusions process which means it is diffusions not required any energy input it can equations crosses of any living thing on non-living thing members and can occur in a liquid or gaseous medium. Examples diffusions is carbons diffusions of energy water in the another small molecules of emissions diffusions without an diffusions. The lift believer the dream of shows diffusions movement or development of within a liquid unil all diffusions is Ronaldo of Dissue osmosis movement of water all is the down of continuous running from the dilute solutions to concreted calculations solutions osmosis is also a process and diffusions and with the not requisitions input of energy call members allow molecules of water to pass through but they do not allow and molecules of water Pascal theory but they do not allow molecules of most divisions substance examples salt and sugar to pass theory it in biological system organisms is viral in plant of animals is the of secures figure 4.15 discover how osmosis of affected of road and build call and plant call when they are placed in their diffusion solutions with diffusion control figure 4.15 the effect of a hypothesis in it is optimity and hypoting the solutions the rate of bold the and electron plant call using ozons of absorpts of in the water of from the soil and translate it to the levels in hypothesis compounds a plant of losses of water in the end compositions of sharking in the sinker of catapults is wars in products exams is the world can identify keep the water of salt levels in the body and build at the correct levels exams in the coins and build at build at the correct levels. Thanks for watching.